My boy David Bailey. Got your boy a package in. Alright, let's open her up and see what we got in here. What was in here, Mike? Mike, what's in here? We got paper. Some more paper. You got paper there. Colors of paper. You got more paper. You know I got a lot of paper. But what's in there? Oh yeah. Yeah, for y'all that ain't been back to the States in a while, this is a Walmart bag. Look at that. Look at that. Walmart. It's a long time since I've seen that bag. Whatever. Bye, Walmart. I'll take Don Quixote. I don't know if Walmart can still make the house anymore. But check out this right here. Let me put this phone down for a second. Let's put that down. And let's look in here. You know. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Yeah, boy. Your boy got the premium Hot Wheels edition of the R chassis right here. The R chassis, boys. Yep. I want to send a huge shout out to David Bailey. My boy got me that. He sent it from the States. He asked me that I want it. I was like, hell yeah, you know I want it. So I don't know if they're here in Japan. I think they might be, but they're probably like $80. But he got it and got it. It is here now. It's here. So also one more thing. Shout out to Nissan Parts. Check out their page. The Nissan Parts page is on Instagram. I did a raffle for I just did a raffle. Just had to sign in, put some names under a post, and just to see if you could win a prize that they were raffling off. Luckily, I got into the drawing and I won. I'll show you what I won. You bet they're chilling, huh? You can't come out of there until you finish drooling after you drink water. So I already unboxed it, but the last phone I had the video on it, and I changed phones because my phone's on a motorcycle and the vibration messed up the camera, so pretty much I wouldn't focus. That's why you see on some of my videos me tapping on the phone, and that's the only way I can get it to focus. But here it is. I won the NISMO backpack that was going up for raffle. Thanks, shout out to David Valentin for telling me about it and telling me about the raffle. But yeah, won this. As I said, check out Nissan's part page on Instagram. See if I can leave you guys a link in the description. They sell a lot of Nissan parts for S chassis, R chassis, just different stuff, stuff that you might need. So check. I got one just to add to my little collection here. I got it, the NISMO umbrella. The NISMO umbrella, you know. So I got this from Up Garage. Yep, had NISMO tax, but you know, I got it. Whatever. So I got this. Shit. So the clutch on the GTR is taking for slippage now. So I mean, I knew it was gonna happen, so it's about that time. But yesterday I noticed when I was leaving, starting up, let the car warm up, leaving out of the park, leaving out of my garage, and going down the street and going in the first, and I felt it slip. So it wasn't slipping before, but I'm guessing after it cooled down from a night of, you know, just driving things and stuff, I guess after cooling down, they're starting to finally do their slipping thing. But granted, that clutch has been in that, not in my car, but in the previous car, in the R32 Skytenic series. If you look on there, you'll see. But that clutch came out of that R32. The clutch did not have any wear on it when I pulled it out. But my guess is from the years of it sitting and sitting and sitting, and then probably getting like moisture inside the clutch packs. I mean, not the clutch pack, but the clutch disc. It probably just was time to change those discs. But I took a leap of faith and I drove with that. I mean, yeah, it's a triple plate OS Geekin, and it held power pretty good till now. So it's time to change those clutch packs. I'm getting a rebuild kit. Actually, Nori is ordering it for me. It's the TS3B OS Geekin. So maybe be here next week. So I'll probably be doing that pretty soon. It don't take long. I've done enough of those. Even not just on my car alone, but a lot of R32s, 33s, clutch changes and swaps. So I'll swap that out, put the new stuff in there, the disc and the plates, and hopefully it come with a pressure plate. Guess I have to see. But I also get a new throwout bearing from Nori and put it all back together, and I'll change the fluids while I'm at it. So right now I'm running, I've been running, what's it called? It's Redline, shockproof. That stuff is awesome. I've had, not in this transmission, but when I first got the car was like grinding when I went to third, fourth, like in high gear and high RPM range. And then I changed to shockproof and it automatically stopped. And I never had a grinding issue again out of transmission. So if you're having an issue in your car grinding from any gear or whatever, try shockproof before you do anything. Before you go swapping out transmissions and all that shit, try shockproof. Try it. Give it a try. It has worked wonders. People be like it's probably covering up something. If it is, it covered up mine for many years without any issues, and I didn't have any other problems with grinding or anything else with my transmission. If it covered an issue, it really did very well at it. So thumbs up to shockproof for Redline and their thing there. I just changed the oil yesterday. Nothing funny was in there, thank God. Woo! So I mean, I was testing the car, so the only way you're gonna find out if you test stuff out. So I tested the car, I did a lot of testing with it, some logs from a tuner, and just other different things that we're testing with. So changed the oil and everything's good. Didn't see anything crazy in there, so got a NISMO oil filter, threw that on, and I'm running Amsoil 5W50 Signature Series. Thanks to Justin for that. Look at you, Beach. Give me a shout out. You probably don't even watch my video to even see your shout out, sucker. And thanks to Cody. Cody always helped me with something with either my ECU or just if I need something, like go-to guy. Thanks, Cody. Appreciate that, buddy. Sport pal, bucko. But yeah, I'm just bullshitting, just blabbing along in here. But this is like the little small thing I just want to show you guys. What I got my Hot Wheels, and I got my got my NISMO stuff right there. Excuse me, that stuff. Don't worry about that. We're fine. But just a big shout out. I hope everyone had a safe 4th. My son's birthday was on the 3rd, and he turned 7. So big shout out to that fella. This year he would have been here if it wasn't for COVID, but you do what you got to do with what you have. So love you, boy. And his nickname is Turbo, by the way. But shout out to my son. Happy birthday on his 7th birthday. He's always been taken care of and will continue to be taken care of. So more to come. Like, I have a lot more stuff that I'm going to be doing with my channel, adventure-wise, traveling, just everyday things, car stuff, how-tos, DIYs, just different stuff. So just stay tuned, And thank you for looking at my channel, watching my videos, and I really appreciate the support. I don't know, for some reason I'm not like getting like a lot of views on my videos. I don't know if I need to change like a region or what. But if anybody has any idea how to do this, let me know. I really appreciate it. Have a great day and be safe. Yoku yatta and 良い一日を一生懸命。